For centuries, the Amazon rainforest in South America has been home to an immense diversity of plant and animal life, including an astonishing array of birds. Birds in the Amazon rainforest are not only a source of beauty and wonder but also play a crucial role in the natural environment, contributing to ecosystem balance and biodiversity enhancement. Birds in the Amazon rainforest exhibit a great deal of diversity, including water birds, birds of prey, songbirds, and ornamental birds, reflecting the rich and varied environmental diversity of the Amazon. These birds form a complex network of environmental interactions, playing roles in pollination, seed dispersal, insect population regulation, and food distribution in the food chain. Furthermore, the Amazon rainforest is home to many rare and endangered bird species, making its protection essential to preserve this valuable biological diversity. By understanding the importance and diversity of birds in the Amazon rainforest, we can develop strategies to conserve this unique and vital environment, ensuring the continued richness and diversity of wildlife in this vital region. The Amazon rainforest is a vast and awe-inspiring ecosystem that spans over 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 South American countries. It is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, containing a stunning array of biodiversity and supporting countless plant and animal species. The environment in the Amazon is characterized by its dense canopy of towering trees, which form a continuous green canopy overhead, creating a shaded and humid understory below. This dense vegetation provides habitat and sustenance for an astonishing diversity of life, including mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, insects, and countless species of plants. The biological richness of the Amazon rainforest is unparalleled, with an estimated 10% of the world's known species calling this ecosystem home. From the iconic jaguar and harpy eagle to the elusive poison dart frog and colorful macaw, the Amazon teems with life in every corner. The Amazon River and its tributaries weave through the rainforest, providing vital water sources for both wildlife and local communities. These waterways are home to a variety of aquatic species, including piranhas, caimans, and river dolphins, further enriching the biodiversity of the region. However, the Amazon rainforest is facing unprecedented threats from deforestation, illegal logging, mining, and climate change. These activities not only endanger the rich biological diversity of the Amazon but also have profound implications for global climate stability and the well-being of indigenous peoples who depend on the forest for their livelihoods. Protecting the natural and biological environment of the Amazon rainforest is essential not only for preserving its incredible biodiversity but also for maintaining the health and stability of the entire planet. Efforts to conserve and sustainably manage this invaluable ecosystem are vital to ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. In the Amazon forest, there are a variety of birds that differ in terms of species, sizes, and behaviors. Here is a simplified classification of some of these birds: parrots and drugs. Species: red Omari parakeet, blue and yellow parakeet, green-winged parakeet, and Amazonian parakeet. Behaviors: it is distinguished by its bright plumage, loud call, and social behavior such as gathering and moving collectively to places to rest. Toucans and toucans. Species: toko toucan, colorful-billed toucan, and emerald-billed toucan. Behaviors: it is distinguished by its large and distinctive beak, which it uses to reach and feed on fruits. They often appear in pairs or small groups. Birds of prey. Species: harpy eagle, feathered eagle, black and white huntsman eagle, spectacled owl. Behaviors: birds of prey known for their strong claws and powerful hunting skills. They are often solitary or found in breeding pairs. Hummingbirds. Species: long-tailed hummingbird, purple-crowned hummingbird, and white-necked hummingbird. Behaviors: bright little birds with colorful plumage and quick wing movements. It is known for its steady flight and feeding on flower nectar. These are some of the main categories of birds in the Amazon jungle, reflecting the diversity of species, sizes, and behaviors found in this rich and diverse ecosystem. Bird species in the Amazon forest vary in the type of food they feed on. Diets range from herbivorous birds that feed on seeds and fruits to carnivorous birds that hunt small animals and insects. Many species compete for food sources in the forest, developing diverse foraging strategies and efficiently exploiting food resources. Reproduction strategies vary among birds in the Amazon jungle, depending on the species and the surrounding environment. Reproduction strategies include building nests in trees, fertilizing eggs in the nests, and caring for the young after hatching. Birds in the Amazon jungle rely on vocal and visual communication to communicate with each other. A variety of vocalizations and physical gestures are used to communicate with each other, whether to determine social behavior such as threatening and greeting, or to attract a mate and determine residence. Threats facing Amazon forest birds highlights the environmental and human challenges that negatively impact these organisms. Among the main threats facing Amazon forest birds are changes in climate. The Amazon rainforest is suffering from the effects of climate change such as rising temperatures and changes in the precipitation pattern. These changes affect the distribution and diversity of plants and insects that are food sources for birds, leading to reduced food abundance and a negative impact on reproductive and survival patterns. Loss of citizen, deforestation and agricultural burning caused the loss of birds' natural habitats and the destruction of their breeding and shelter habitats. This decrease in habitat puts many bird species at risk of extinction and leads to changes in the ecological composition of the forest. Poaching. Many bird species in the Amazon jungle are subject to poaching for illegal trade or recreational purposes such as capturing beautiful birds to keep as pets. Illegal hunting leads to a decline in bird populations and may eventually lead to the extinction of some species. Conservation efforts for birds in the Amazon rainforest are an essential component of global initiatives aimed at protecting the biodiversity and environmental integrity of this vital ecosystem. Several environmental initiatives have been undertaken to protect bird habitats and wildlife in the Amazon rainforest, including establishment of nature reserves. Nature reserves and protected areas have been established in the Amazon rainforest to preserve bird habitats and other forms of wildlife. These reserves contribute to the preservation of natural ecosystems and provide safe environments for bird reproduction and growth. Awareness and environmental education. Numerous environmental organizations and local governments conduct awareness and education campaigns on the importance of protecting birds in the Amazon rainforest and their environment. These efforts are directed towards local communities, visitors, and tourists to raise awareness of the importance of nature and environmental conservation. Legislation and environmental policies. Environmental laws and policies have been enacted to prohibit illegal hunting and regulate land use in the Amazon rainforest. These policies aim to strengthen wildlife preservation and reduce threats to birds and other living organisms. Scientific research and modern technologies. Researchers conduct scientific studies and research to understand the causes and potential impacts of threats to birds in the Amazon rainforest. Technological development provides effective means of monitoring and tracking bird movements and behavior, helping to identify vital areas and implement necessary protection measures. International cooperation and partnerships. Countries and international organizations cooperate through partnerships to exchange knowledge and experiences, and to provide financial and technical support to conservation programs for birds in the Amazon rainforest. These partnerships strengthen global efforts to conserve birds and preserve biodiversity in this crucial ecosystem. Conclusion: the importance of protecting the Amazon rainforest and its birds for the future is evident through the study of conservation efforts in this ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most diverse and life-rich environments on Earth. Birds are a fundamental part of this ecosystem, playing a vital role in seed dispersal, plant pollination, and overall ecosystem balance. Therefore, the conclusion demonstrates that conserving the Amazon rainforest and its birds is crucial for maintaining environmental balance and preserving biodiversity in the region and globally. By preserving this unique and rich ecosystem, we can ensure a better future for future generations and for wildlife in the Amazon and beyond.